Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. And those of you who are new to this channel, we do cleaning, we get into home decor, and we definitely get into some organization. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you like what you see. Go ahead and hit that like. Don't hesitate to comment, and definitely make sure you subscribe. So today we are going to this kitchen. We're going to clean up some dishes. As you guys can see here, I have a sink full. It has been a busy day. I do work, as you guys know, I do work 9 to 5. I work from home. So thank God it does give me the versatility. It gives me the flexibility to be able to pop in and I can start cleaning very early in the day. Okay, so we're going to get into these dishes and we're going to get into the kitchen so we can go ahead and get this thing nice and cleaned up. Happy holidays to all of you guys who are celebrating. And I'm not going to talk too long. Let's get into it.
Talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance. I'm not here to waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me.
see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger forever.
chance to get my morning cup of coffee, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little small break from cleaning. Go ahead and get me something to drink. I've been drinking my water non-stop, so I'm going to go ahead and just get me a little nice cup of coffee, and we're going to get right back into it. I hope you guys are doing well on your cleaning and motivated, so let's get it.
When we're with our friends, there's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most.
So I had to step out and take a quick run to the grocery store. I have to pick up a few items, and I'm going to pick up dinner for tonight. I love coming to this place because I can buy in great quantity. I do have a big family size, so we're going to go ahead and get into that, pick up a few things, and head back to home.
Any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.